Morning Abotai, there is a fascinating Gemara in Masechet Pesachim Daf Mem Tet. The Gemara says, Amar Rabbi Yochanan, a Talmid Chacham is not allowed to eat at a Seudah that's not a Seudat mitzvah, a Seudah celebrating mitzvah. Says the Gemara, what is a Seudah that's not of a mitzvah? Gemara gives two examples. Number one, a Yisrael who marries the daughter of a Kohen, a regular Yisrael who marries a Kohen's daughter, and an Amaretz that marries a Talmid Chacham's daughter. Those are considered weddings. However, it's not considered a Seudat mitzvah, and a Talmid Chacham should not eat there. Says the Gemara, what do you mean? A regular Yisrael can't marry a Kohen's daughter? Doesn't the Gemara say elsewhere that if a person wants to be rich, he should cleave to the offspring of Aharon by marrying them? Says the Gemara, there's a difference between Talmid Chacham and Amaretz. If the Yisrael is a Talmid Chacham, it's a good thing for him to marry the daughter of a Kohen. If he's an Amaretz, it's a very bad thing for him to marry the daughter of a Kohen, says Rashi HaKadosh, because it's considered an insult, a pegam, a blemish to the offspring of Aharon for an Amaretz to marry Aharon's daughter. That's the end of the Gemara. And Be'emet, the Rambam in Hilchot Ishut, as well as Maran HaShulchan Aruch and Ibn Aiza Siman Bet, they both bring down that if an Amaretz marries a Kohen's daughter, tragic things can happen. The end will not be good for such a shidduch. That's the Gemara, and that's Maran HaShulchan Aruch. However, Maran Zechron Baruch discusses this at length in his Halichot Olam Chelek Chet, and he quotes a tshuva from the Chavot Yair, who says that nowadays we find many Amei Haaretz that marry Kohanim's daughters. So how do you understand that? So he says Amei Haaretz is not as bad as it used to be in the times of the Gemara. When the Gemara describes Amei Haaretz in ignoramus, it's a reference to somebody that was completely devoid of Torah mitzvot. He hated Torah. He almost didn't keep the mitzvot. So over there, that kind of person, it's dangerous for him to marry a Kohen's daughter. But a person, let's say, is just not learned. He doesn't learn much Torah, but he follows the path of the Torah. He's shomer mitzvot. He does chesed. He's kasher la'idut. That kind of person, it is permissible for him to marry the daughter of a Kohen. Therefore, to summarize, Maran Zechron Baruch says there are three categories of people with regards to marrying the daughter of a Kohen. Number one, if you have an ignoramus, a person who is not shomer Torah mitzvot at all, he doesn't conduct acts of chesed, it is dangerous for him to marry a Kohen's daughter. Number two, you have a Talmid Chacham, a Yisrael Talmid Chacham. Over there, it's actually beneficial for him to marry Aharon's daughter because then you have Keuna and Gdula in the Torah in one place. That brings wealth and success. However, if you have a person that's neither a Talmid Chacham nor a person that's not shomer Torah mitzvot, just a regular lay person, he follows Torah mitzvot, he does acts of kindness, over there, there's no insult and there's no Gdula, therefore it's permissible for him to marry a daughter of a Kohen. Nothing bad will happen over there, says Maran Zechron Baruch. We'll continue with this tomorrow.